Hi, everybody. Today's video will focus on what we're going to do um, online, either Thursday or Friday. Today, this video will focus on um, CNN 10, Political and Economic World Introduction, Quizlet, and the study guide, and where you can find all of these things. So you're going to want to come into your global studies, whichever class you have. I'm just using this class as the example. And you're going to want to do your CNN 10 warm up. It'll be in this folder tomorrow morning for September 3rd. And then you are going to want to come into course organization structure. If you just hit the arrow, then you could see it. And then intro to the course and intro to unit 1 is right here. Then you're going to click on week 1, and you were supposed to have completed the ignorance folder, sign up for Remind, complete the student survey. Those were the things that you were supposed to have done by now. The first thing you're going to want to do is check out our intro to this unit. So you're going to click on that. Look at the Unit 1 slide, Introduction. This is where your essential questions are going to be. Your study guide is located. You're going to need to download your study guide. You can make a copy of it and put it in your Google Drive. So you click on this. It's the introduction to slide 1. And you probably have to put it in present. This unit, which includes a couple different lessons, you will learn about your knowledge of the world, learn about the themes and regions of global studies, learn about the forms and functions of governments, the economic sectors and systems, developed versus developing countries, globalization, and international organizations. Now, this video will be really good idea to watch. Okay. And I only talk about the 4 economic sectors, but this video actually speaks of a 5th one. So you can learn about the 5th one, the quinary one, but you don't really need to know that one for the test. If you click on the brain guy, these are your essential questions or things I hope you could answer when our unit is over. You can make yourself a copy of that. And then go back to the slide. And you're definitely going to need to click on this study guide and open it up. And what you're going to want to do is go up to File and hit Make a Copy. And you can then fill in the study guide as we go through. Here is the Quizlet. This is where you are able to learn your vocab. So you click on the Quizlet. It'll take you to Unit 1. These are all the words that you need to know for the entire unit. There are a lot of words in this unit because this is an introduction to the course. I don't know why it's doing this. Confirming my account. Okay, great. So there's a couple different ways you can use the flashcards. You can learn the words. And you would go through it, okay, every term, answer every term correctly twice to finish. Um, you can write them, you can spell them, you could take little tests, you could play the matching game, which is pretty cool. Um, Gravity, and we'll play live to go over them too. So definitely get to know the words. While I don't make you write them out, this is how you need to learn your vocab. So that's that. So you definitely are going to need a copy of your study guide going into the lesson that we're going to do today. So then you're going to want to go back to week 1 and week 1 introduction. And then today your job is to go into Unit 1, Lesson 1, Political and Economic World, and click on Economic and Political Systems Notes. Again, here's where you're going to find your first lesson. It is a Pear Deck, and it does have audio, which you have to listen to while you learn about the economic systems and sectors, global studies, and scarcity. You're going to have to complete the various activities, listen to the audio, and complete your study guide, questions 1 through 8. So again, if you did not make a copy for yourself, you need to, because I'm going to be checking your study guide questions either Friday or Tuesday. To get started on you need to click on this link. So you'll click Pear Deck, Economic World. It'll ask you how you're feeling, and then you can hop on in and you'll be able to click the audio. Right down here, I'm sorry. And listen to it by hitting play. Hi, everyone. And there I am. Today I'm going to go. It's very important to listen to what I talk about because it'll give you instructions on how to complete the various activities through the Pear Deck, and some hints on information that is throughout the Pear Deck. And that's it for today for the people who are online for this particular group. So you have to complete the Political and Economic World Introduction Notes. That's this in the Pear Deck. You need to do some Quizlet vocab studying and work on your study guide as you do the notes. And you will complete, again, questions 1 through 8. If anybody has any questions, you can, again, hop in to the Zoom office hours, which run from 10:45 to 11:15. Good luck.